Hi friends, it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today's craft is for Tuesday, November 10th, our Zoom story room activity. We're going to put together some turkeys. So, get out your kit. You'll need your kit, a glue stick, and some scissors. And we're going to take out our sheet with the 5 fat turkeys, and we're going to take out our 2 green sheets of paper. And some of you may have 1 green sheet that's folded in half. That works too. That is totally a-okay. You're going to need your brown piece of paper, 5 popsicle sticks, and let's see, our little chef friend, and our poem. And everything else that's in the kit we're going to save for Thursday's Zoom story room. So, to begin, we are going to make a tree with these green sheets of paper and this brown piece of paper. So this is going to be our nice big trunk, and I'm going to begin by gluing our chef onto the trunk. And he's going to wait at the bottom of the tree and try to get any of the turkeys for dinner. And then for our tree, I'm going to do a fold about 1/3 of the way up, but you can fold yours in half too. It doesn't really matter. Just so long as we've got a little bit of a pocket going on. And then I'm going to glue these 2 pieces together with the flap parts facing up by just doing a little line of glue at the top of one of them and then sticking the bottom folded edge over the top of that. Perfect. And then I'm going to glue the trunk onto the tree by doing the same thing. We're going to lift up the green part of the tree and put a line or 2 of glue on the trunk, and then stick our leafy greens right over the top. I'm going to leave my tree as a square, but if you would like, you can use your scissors to cut it out and round out the edges so that it looks more like a circle or like a natural tree. I kind of like my square tree. It reminds me of Minecraft a little bit. And I'm also going to glue down just a little bit on the sides of both of these flaps so that it turns them from flaps into pockets. That way we can hold our turkeys in more effectively, and we don't have to worry about them falling out the sides. Perfect. So while all of my glue is drying over here, I'm going to cut out my 5 fat turkeys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to cut them all out just around the circles. And then each one we cut out can be colored and glued to a popsicle stick. Here's turkey number 2. I'm doing them kind of out of order, but that's okay. We can put them in order according to the story when we're playing with our craft after we're done. Here's turkey number 3. 4. Turkey number 1. And we're almost done. With turkey number 5. I'm going to throw away my scrap paper. And finish up this little bit of cutting just so we don't have those pokey edges. Awesome. And now we can glue our sticks on our turkeys. You can also color them now or color them before you cut them out. Or you can color them at the very end. It's totally up to you. So we're going to flip each turkey over. Put a little bit of glue on your popsicle stick. And press it onto your turkey. Right towards the bottom. And then we'll leave them upside down for a minute so that the glue can dry, so that we're sure that our popsicle sticks stick to our turkeys. Awesome. Now before we stick our turkeys in, like I said, we're going to leave them upside down for a moment to dry. And while they're drying, I'm going to put our 5 Fat Turkeys rhyme on the back of our tree. So we're going to flip them over. And you can put this anywhere on the back that you like. I like to put mine right in the middle, over the top of where I glued these 2 pieces of green together, because it kind of helps hold the tree together. Perfect. Let that dry for a moment, and then when we flip our tree back over, we're able to hide our 5 fat turkeys in the pockets of the tree. And you can just kind of tuck them in there. And you can put them in order, in number order if you want. Or you could put them in rainbow order if you color them different colors. There's lots of ways you can get creative with your turkey placement. And then you can play along with the story and have your turkeys jump up in the tree or fall and become dinner. Ooh, Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, thank you guys so much for crafting with me today. I hope you all had a really fun time, and we will see you again next time.